Portwell RUBY-D722G2A, an AI-ready Micro-ATX industrial mainboard, is built for intelligent automation, high-speed connectivity, and next-generation industrial computing. Powered by Intel Core Ultra Processor Series 2, RUBY-D722G2A is optimized for AI inference, machine vision, and real-time edge analytics. Supporting DDR5 memory up to 6,400 megatransfers per second along with PCIe Gen4 expansion, RUBY-D722G2A delivers exceptional bandwidth and flexible scalability for demanding industrial systems. With rich I/O design, flexible expansion, and compact form factor, RUBY-D722G2A helps build powerful and space-efficient platforms ready for long-term deployment. From smart factory to medical AI or gaming, RUBY-D722G2A delivers scalable performance for evolving industrial applications.